How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2014 Nissan Altima and the customer wants an extra key and we're gonna create it. Let's start. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna use IM100. I'm gonna go to immobilizer. I'm gonna look for Nissan. I'm gonna go to automatic selection. I'm gonna close the door and I'm gonna choose North America because I want to see the models of North America. I'm gonna choose Altima Sedan. I'm gonna use 2014. Make sure you have the year, make and model and hit yes. Go to control unit, immobilizer remote, smart system. It tells you to turn the hazard lights on and open and close the driver door. So we're gonna turn the hazard lights on and we're gonna hit OK. It's gonna access the security system. Sometimes it takes a minute, sometimes it's pretty quick. I'm gonna go to remote control learning. We're gonna go to smart key learning and we're gonna make sure the hazards are on. I'm gonna open and close the driver door and hit OK. It tells me to hold the button, the push button until the dash light is starting. And we can release when the dashboard is light up and hit OK. It's going to tell us to turn the ignition off. Hit OK. Then it's going to tell us to press one time on the push button with the remote and wait 5 seconds to see that there is a blinking light that blinks 5 times. I'm going to turn the ignition off, open and close the door, and I'm going to take the second key, the original key, and I'm going to attach it again to the start button. I'm going to press one time and I'm not holding the button, I'm just putting the fob next to the button and I will see the 5 lights again, turn it off and hit OK. So both are programmed at the same time. And both remotes work just fine. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. The registration is complete. Thank you again for watching and don't forget to subscribe.